She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So hey friends, this is going to be a real quick short video, and it's called Do It While You Can. The reason I say that, I have traveled from Texas to Florida many times, and I've seen this battleship that maybe you can see behind me along my route, and I always thought, one of these days I'm going to stop there and go tour that battleship. Well, one of these days is here now, and I can't. As a lot of you know, I can't really walk anymore. I've got a serious hip problem in my right hip, and even with a cane or crutches, I don't think I'd be able to tour that. It would just be too painful. So I'm finally here. I finally stopped to at least get a close-up look at it, but yeah, I let the time pass when I could have and should have. So let that just be a little lesson to you, please. Do it while you can. If there's something you want to do, go out there and do it now. Don't wait. Don't think, well, I'll lose a few pounds, or next time I'll have more time, or just stuff all those excuses in your back pocket and go do what you want to do. Because seriously, you never know when you're not going to be able to do it. Now, if you would have told me 5 years ago that I wouldn't have been able to tour a boat, I would have said, of course I could. But seriously, I can't. So, yep, it's a bummer, but it's okay. I've gotten to do so many amazing things in my life. I'm not going to let this get me down. But, yep, the things I still can do, I'm going to do while I can do it. So, that's all. I just wanted to share that little bit of wisdom with you. And, yeah, get out and enjoy your life while you can. You never know when the day will come when you can't. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Yeah, this is a really cool park. If you're a history buff or into military stuff, tons of airplanes and helicopters and Coast Guard ships. Lots to look at. It's very neat. Aw, puppy. Aw, did your people go? Your people went, left you out here. I'm sorry. Oh, they'll be out shortly. It's not that big of a tour. So this was filmed a few weeks before the pandemic stuff started, but I almost think it's more timely now. You really never know when you're not going to be able to get out there and do what you want. So I do encourage you, when all of this is over, please get out, enjoy your life, and do something that you have dreamed about doing, and make your dreams come true. Y'all take care and stay lost, my friends.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night.